Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. And in this video, we are going to learn what is Shopify.com and how it helps us to build e-commerce website and what are the services of it and what are the pricing and how we can create an account. Now let's get into it. And this is the home page of Shopify.com website. And as you guys can see, this is a great platform which is trusted by millions of people in creating successful brands by trusting Shopify. They sell, they ship, and process payment from anywhere in this world. Lots of people have been trusting Shopify, and this is a great website which helps us to build awesome e-commerce websites. And you can build successful websites and online stores like this for food and drink. These stores for categories, the Shopify.com website provides lots of website designs in order to build successful websites, and you can customize these themes of the website by using your own art, and you can build your own brand using Shopify.com website. Okay, now let's see what are the services of the Shopify website. You can start an online business using the Shopify.com. This is the main service of the Shopify website. And if you are using a retail or wholesale shop in a particular place, you can move this shop into an online business in order to earn an additional revenue. And you can hire a Shopify expert in order to create a marketplace in Shopify. And this is a great opportunity who doesn't have IT knowledge and who doesn't have computer related ideas. He or she can hire a Shopify expert in order to build big brands. Now let's check out the pricing of Shopify.com. Now let's click on pricing. And in order to set up your store and the plan, you should sign in to Shopify.com. And as I am a new customer for Shopify.com, I get 14 days free trial, and I can create a store by entering my email address and clicking start free trial. And the monthly plan for basic customer of Shopify is $29 per month. And professional level customer is $79 per month, and advanced Shopify customer should pay $299 per month. And the most popular plan is the basic plan, and this serves to create a store and ship products and process payment. And it includes providing basic reports, and this provides 2 staff accounts, and we can for free for only 14 days. And the best part of this plan is this Shopify.com website provide 24/7 hours protection, which means we can email Shopify and get help at time, at any point, and from any country. And the Shopify website serve you to start your business by branding such as they have created some tools named business name generator and logo maker and online presence. We can add custom domains and we can set up the store in order to sell products. And this website is a top e-commerce website builder, and this is the business name generator tool, and you can generate business name by if I'm hoping to start a clothing business, I can type clothing and click generate names. Yes, this gives lots of hundreds of names, and we can choose any of these and proceed. And there is a logo maker, and this is also a free tool of Shopify.com website, and we can design logos like this, which is super awesome. And this website is highly recommended to start your own brand and build an e-commerce website. So that's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more videos and ideas. See you in the next video.